Okay, so I measured, and from here to there and back is 9.5 feet. So at 1 to 12, go down 9.5 inches here, 5-degree angle. The top of the bevel is gonna line up with that. And on the other side, the bottom of the bevel is gonna line up with that line. Because we're so close to the ground, I had to dig a lovely trench. Ran into a series of hiccups, much of which stems from this giant rock. The post is concreted into position. Here I'm using a pair of trigger clamps and a level and a couple deck screws to align everything where it needs to be. We are approaching the home stretch. Got to do joists and then more joists, and got to dig trenches because we're getting pretty close to the ground. Here. Because these are at an angle, and the joist hangers are 2 inches long, and they need to be flat to receive. I gotta take that little notch there, that notch there. Attaching these has been difficult with the joist hangers. I think I found that the most effective method for me is to pinch it to the board with a clamp, because I have 2 hands, not, 6. With the whole notching out the ends thing, in order for this to go in straight and have that be straight, I had to notch out that 5-degree angle. My digital level has this laser that I never really made use of before, maybe a couple occasions, but here I've been using it because, we're coming at this angle here. As you can see, it's just at the lip on an uneven grade. That is very vital. Thanks a lot, Husky. Okay, we got another section partially done. I miscounted the number of joist hangers I need, so I'm too short. Gotta get some of those from Home Depot next time. I dug that trench much deeper than I needed to, apparently. This project has involved a lot more math and thinking than I'm used to. Yeah, at the end here, I'm gonna have a single board at 45 degrees, so that if for whatever reason the ground is uneven or whatever, the wheel might catch on this final board. So I have a 45 degree board that is going to be completely underground. I custom made a bracket for this, 3/5 by 7, and this guy here is like 5.5. Need another bucket of deck screws, and I need 2 joist hangers. It's essentially done. It's just a matter of cutting some things, and I'm sure you can use your imagination, because it's something that I did 100 times before. See, like what I was saying about how there's a 45 degrees so that the wheel can kind of nudge itself over. I don't know if that makes sense to anyone else, but it made sense to me. Deck board, and then deck boards, well, on top of joist. Here I will put gravel, crushed marble, something like that, something so that she doesn't have to ride through the mud. I guess next video will involve making handrails.